see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here with.
It's my motherfucking birthday! Party with me, ZIggy. Party with me. Why was I making the camera jump too? Anyways, guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yo, it has been a whole week, 2 weeks since we uploaded a video. Anyways, guys, it's been a while since we've uploaded a video, but you know, it's my birthday. When this vlog goes up, it's not gonna be my birthday, but it's okay. You can still wish me a happy birthday. And in advance, I'm gonna tell you guys thank you for all the birthday wishes. Big up your guys' self as per usual. And I know some of you guys are wondering, how old am I? I am 13 years old. Anyways, guys, we're on our way to Niagara Falls. Was not even a part of the plan, but you know, we said, let's just go to Niagara Falls. So that's what we about to do. But you know, first we had to stop and get us a iced coffee, French vanilla iced coffee. If you guys have never tried this, what are you waiting for? You need to go and try this. It's so good. It's like my new addiction since they took away their vanilla chai drink that ZIggy put me on. We got Nyla. Where's Nyla? Hi. Hello. You guys say happy birthday to mommy? Say happy birthday, mommy. So she was singing happy birthday to me this morning. It was so cute. But anyways, we about to listen to some music and actually chill. I just want to chill. I wasn't gonna vlog on my birthday because you're singing it. I hear you. I wasn't gonna vlog. Huh? Okay, sing it. Let me hear it. Go. Sing it. 1, 2.
This one.
Okay, sing it. Okay, fine. Yeah, so as I was saying, I wasn't gonna vlog today because I just wanted to chill out with my family. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can actually, like how I'm starting the vlog now, I can actually go and finish it. Oh, and by the way, I said I was gonna update you guys. Yes? Okay, sing it. You like to move it, move it. This girl. I said I was gonna update you guys on my new job. Okay, hold on, mama. It's definitely not a job that I thought it was gonna be. But with that being said, hold on, mama. With that being said, I did get my dream job, so I'm super excited about that. It's just so weird how things happen because like I bombed one interview and I was so stressed out, and then just look how everything just worked out for me. Yo, that's the blessings. That's me continuing to pray and just be faithful and not think negative. I'll fill you guys with that later. I just need to enjoy my birthday and not focus on work right now. You're singing? Okay, go. I can't hear you though. I can't hear you. I want to see you sing it. I want to hear you. But yeah, we'll check back in with you guys in a bit. We're just gonna vibe out and just chill and enjoy this drive because it's about to be a long drive.
Daddy does like this. Daddy does this. Daddy
You
does.
jump, you jump.
Daddy. No, on the bed. That on the bed.
No, it's okay.
Woo! Is this your bed?
Huh?
Is this your bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inside bed. Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's sleep now.
Okay, good night. Bye. We are vlogging from my phone because I left my camera. I could have brought it, but honestly, it was just too much baggage. Besides, I got Nyla's baggage. I'm a grandmother, guys. Anyways, we just got to our restaurant, but we're walking towards it because there's no parking there, which is weird. I don't know why you would have like this big restaurant and no parking. Yeah, we can cross. The restaurant that ZIggy actually chose it, so that's where we're going. It's called like Morton's Grill. Never been there before.
I want to like more spend time in place get dark.
Yeah, you can see the falls. Yeah. So hopefully we get a table by the falls. That'll be really nice. But they did say it was first come, first serve. You have your mask?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll show you guys that when we... So we'll show you guys that when we go inside. From the pictures, it looks really nice. The food looked decent. So we're hoping that...
There's no price here?
Oh! I know. But this is how it looks here. You can go to Marineland, but we're not going to Marineland because we're not supporting that right now. Nyla! Nyla!
Oh, you trying to take a picture? No?
Niagara? We did get a hotel. We weren't planning to stay, but we ended up getting a hotel. Just a little spot, nothing too fancy. Somewhere to put our head until tomorrow, and then we're gonna try to bring Nyla swimming. You want to go in the pool, Mama? Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
You don't want to?
This is the restaurant right there. Trees are kind of blocking it, but Morton's Grill. Try? Nyla. Yeah.
I love that name.
That's good. You drink wine?
So you always think that.
Tonight you're... You have no choice. Okay, look at Nyla.
Oh. Hey.
This is my birthday dinner from ZIggy. I got me some steak, grilled shrimp, and I got mashed potatoes.
Give you a joke?
ZIggy got baked potatoes, steak, and some grilled veggies. Nyla. And I showed you guys Nyla's food.
It's Nyla food. If it was like any other Jamaican, you give them this, they'll be like, oh, I can't live without food.
Don't come off. Wait. Look. Oh, gotta catch the money. Money. Lean over. Yeah, what's that? So there's a roller coaster up here, and when we're coming down the hill, Ziggy was like, literally like, whoa, what the hell is that? So I told him let's go on it. He doesn't want to go on it, but don't worry. Ziggy, you cannot come to Canada and not go on a roller coaster.
All right.
You cannot. You thought it was real? You thought it was real?
Yeah, just so I'm like, what the fucking man I climb up on?
Yeah, what is that? Yo, look at this. What? Why does this look like this? She looks so scary. It's nice, but it's brisk. Brisk. Ziggy, you wanna go in a haunted house? You don't wanna go into a haunted house either?
When Halloween.
Halloween is coming up.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's going. This is why I wanted Ziggy to go on. Yeah. I'm dead.
No, just imagine that they rock over.
No, stop it. I mean, I don't know how they build that, cause that's kind of risk. That's like, yo, I don't know, it's scary.
Ooh.
You didn't grow those.
What kind of question here?
You just put them in there.
Yeah, right. I planned my thing there for a long time.
Ziggy, he put them in there before you guys came so he could show you.
What's wrong with this girl?
That's why the raccoons and stuff always over here.
No, not it. We're supposed to go start finding other places. A long time. I tell Nisha to come and leave them out so you can't do them.
Alright, we'll have fun, farmers.
That's fun. Can't wait to
And you say you take out what, 6 already?
Yes.
And just come find out this one. Good size, man.
I mean, I'm the little one is spoiled. Later, I mean, if you get too cold, no, man.
Yeah, I mean, they say probably by the time it start get cold. I wish I them say have the push go sour there.
Hey, this.
Yeah, I
This
push
here
go so I
thing,
just
look.
fling him over back over here. So
This way gone.
I miss say start run come.
And this
So
is
go, sir.
cocoa. But I don't know what them the cocoa you work yet.
I mean, I know them there.
I wonder if they go and send them. See them.
Yeah, underground, right under it today. So if you
Because-
draw up this, everything come up.
One or only.
One.
But me put my finger down underneath it. I mean, not feel that.
I want them. Me know so them I want one single one
I'm
ground.
gonna try those ones. Like I give it another week.
Mm.
Then me dig up the whole thing.
But this one that kind of surprising because I think I one
Me too.
you that get from half ice.
Me think I want them taste good. It doesn't taste like the one when you buy at a supermarket. I guess it's the real organic thing. This one, right?
Mm.
Organic thing. And this, it doesn't taste. The other one them taste waxy.
Them are more natural.
Dry and taste. It's not too sweet.
Yeah, yeah.
Just enough sweet. This will make a nice potato salad. Or a mashed potato. I mean, I even know so they man that. So you can imagine. This is the second biggest one. It's probably the biggest one. Okay?
Yeah?
But me get a fatter one earlier
Okay.
today.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's good.
Me like that. Next year, when I'm back,
So far
me know now.
you get that
Yeah.
plus sweet pepper.
Me get sweet pepper and see cocoa them.
Plant no food.
Yes. Next year, me not buy no sweet potato.
This is that plant from early.
Me know if I do it now.
So guys, we are back home. Didn't finish the vlog last night because when we got back to the hotel, we watched TV and chilled, and then we just fell asleep. But shout out to the manager at the keg because he hooked us up a bit. We didn't have to wait because we didn't have reservation. And we just so end up in the elevator with him, and it was his birthday, and he just put us down. So big up him, big him up.
I want guy
Where you
here,
going?
so I said to him, like I say,
Ziggy,
excuse
this
me,
dirty?
sir, you know?
Ziggy, is this dirty?
And he's like, no, don't call me sir. Yeah? Like him I say, even though my ex, some ex Newby, whatever. I say as much as I understand,
I need to
but
stay.
I don't
Hello,
want
what
to
do you want?
so don't call me sir.
I
But see, that I said to him,
They don't
no,
wanna see
I don't
inside your
really
mouth.
that. To me, there's a point of respect still.
Tell them what did you do?
Why
And
do
where'd you
people
go?
say sir or mom or whatever?
Why is it wet?
Because we know you have enough people just come there and say, I just talk. Or I say hey, or whatever, you see me? But for me,
It's not
to me, I
wet.
think I respect.
There was water.
There's
Water in there too.
So, anyways, back home, you guys got to see my dad's garden.
Hey.
Now let's sit, mama. Sit for you fall, please. Don't stand
I
there.
want the hat to see me.
Okay, they see you. Okay, there.
Right?
Wait, me not even consider myself as a sir yet. Somebody else.
Oh yeah, this
Yeah.
guy is started dying
That
that.
means I'm not
And it was
the guy. I'm not their peer. Right? Yeah.
So, Daddy, what else you have plants out there? You have sweet potato.
I already got sweet peppers. I have scallion.
The sweet peppers are a good size too.
Yeah, they were sweet and they actually taste sweet. Really organic.
I grew scallion, but I didn't even check on it. It's kind of like it just overgrew.
Which one of it? One of them when you plant, I think when you plant the onion, you can get scallion.
Water.
You gonna say?
Water.
Then try to figure it out. Because I'm gonna say a family then, you know.
Yeah man, when you plant onion that grow up on top.
When I grew the scallion, I saw it getting like long, but I was scared to eat it.
Everybody who's plants like or novice planters like plant some for the first time. Remember at the end of the plant the apple tree, get these big apple refrigerated.
And we were scared to eat them, yeah. But he got some. I thought you said you had a big potato, or did you think it was a big potato?
No, I thought it was bigger because when I felt around the root, I felt a whole bunch of them.
That's actually so cool though.
Where them there?
You ready?
Yo, it's nice, Bridget. I mean,
Hello.
how much people in foreign where come from Caribbean background them, not talk about the other backgrounds, and say they can plant something,
Stop, Papa.
sweet potato,
That's not.
and plant something from nothing and get something out of it.
What did you use though to like grow? Was it something like this you put there, or the?
It was like,
Papa is.
you see how this is growing here? This little piece. So I say, you know what? There's actually another piece over
Is
here.
it this? What turned into?
No, that's part of the root I got off of this one. So I said I'm gonna just cut this part off. Kept in like water for like 2-3 days, and that seeds it just started growing more. So I said I'm gonna put it in dirt.
That's actually cool.
It was wicked. I loved it. It was like
You should have got like from the process. From the minute you put it and you kind of like a week later you go do a check.
I think I have a process where I actually took it out. I'll find it on my phone and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I first planned it.
That's pretty cool. There's no more sweet potatoes though. The sweet peppers.
It's beer again.
Okay, so we'll do a checkup with the sweet peppers to show you guys.
Probably not even gonna get nothing.
Right? Because the weather is changing now.
Might be too cold now.
It's okay. Next year we're gonna have an actual part in the backyard. God's will. Now let's sit where you fall, and then we'll. Yeah, but anyways, we're back home. We've been like doing little laundry, cleaning back up the room because it is work week again. The weekend goes by too fast. But we're here chefing up some chicken, some rotisserie chicken.
I'd like to put it there.
It's not done yet, it's just a process. That's to catch the color. We got rice and peas. I don't care who laughs at me because I use my rice cooker. I don't care. I don't care. And we got some steamed veg right here. I know people probably make fun of me because I use my rice cooker.
Yeah, people probably making fun because no carrots in there.
Oh, sure.
In the pot? The pot's not done yet. So I've been bumping into so many subscribers at work. Big up your guys' self if you guys watch this. Big up Laverne, I bumped into her as well. And big up to the lady that we bumped into in Niagara Falls. All the way in Niagara Falls, we bumped into a subscriber. Big up yourself. Shout out to you guys for not being shy. Now you want to talk to the camera?
Chatterbox.
Now you want to talk to the camera?
Everybody now see. Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Literally.
And as soon as you see people they turn around and say hi, now that
No, but she's saying hi to all the ones who aren't saying hi to her or hi back to her, and the ones that were saying hi to her before she even say hi, she acting shy.
And every time people need feedback, you know.
Huh?
It's not every time somebody needs feedback. And now I'm smart.
But yeah, we had a good time. It was fun. It was actually fun up there. But it was mind blowing that. How you doing, you guys? Oh my gosh, let me show you. I didn't want to really zoom up because she's kind of self-conscious about it. But update on Nella's tooth. I showed you guys a couple weeks ago that she busted her lip and around her tooth was like bleeding a lot. We brought her to the dentist because I was kind of a little worried because I noticed that the teeth was changing color. So the nerve in her tooth is actually dead, so that teeth is a little discolored, but it's baby teeth. We just have to watch it to see if anything further needs to be done, but hopefully not. What are they saying? Yeah, it was kind of mind-blowing in Niagara Falls that when you were going into restaurants, you had to show that proof that you were vaccinated, but the arcade was fully open. Fully open, they're not cleaning the stuff.
Oh my god.
The way how every minute we're like, our hands were just so dry, but I was just like at one point oh my gosh. But yeah, we should have brought you into the haunted house. We should have brought her into the haunted house. That would have been funny.
But even that apart, I isn't.
What's this? Mescaline from outside?
No.
Oh, here.
What is that?
What is this? Mescaline. Yeah, it was just crazy. And even to go into the pool, you have to show proof of vaccination.
That part, I probably.
Anyway. Who in your soul mind?
People went. Because when people signed up, you have to sign up for a slot time.
But I'm not saying I'm scorning anybody from the pool. Yes, I know people need to go to the beach, all this kind of stuff. But you're gonna go to the extreme. You're gonna go to Niagara Falls or a vacation, jump in a pool, really. If I go with my family, I want to chill. Yes, if I go to a restaurant, come back. I don't really need to go swimming and all them kind of things. Especially all of them kind of vibes. I mean, I know what I want. But really?
Well, I guess they think the chlorine's gonna burn out if there's anything.
They might follow Trump advice for drinking chlorine.
But it seems you just say with the arcade, like you have to show up. You have to go inside, go sit down and eat. Like you literally sit down one place and eat. But in the arcade, everybody they all about a touch of everything and you have to show no at all.
Some people weren't even wearing masks. Their mask was like below. Oh my gosh. Nala wouldn't even keep on her mask. It's so hard.
So the restaurant thing go, you go to the door. If you're not fully vaccinated, you just can't go in, right?
You just can't go in. But honestly, I don't really feel like businesses are really gonna turn away people.
Exactly, they will.
Because that's like you're literally
I think so, man.
some places will, some places will, but I feel like there's the one odd ones that's gonna be like you just
So
show
what
them
about
the
I think you
the
would
malls. You
say
still go in the mall.
So anybody can go in the mall.
Yeah, because no one stops
But not
there.
to
can't go to the money.
The food court you can't.
So how does that make sense? No, seriously. Like I mean, okay, who's checking at the door?
Vlog and now it's just taking over the whole vlog. Anyways, quick update because I said I was gonna update you guys. So I no longer work at that other job that I told you guys.
Bye.
The job that I got because
Bye.
when I did it, it just was not.
Now do you see my phone?
When I did it, it was not too much nurse related. It was more like social work. So after my first orientation,
Have you seen my phone?
I was like, this is not for me. Then I'm like, you know what, let me give it another try. So I gave it another try and I was like, oh my god. I'm like, nah. I can't settle. But
Over here.
you know, it's funny how things work out in life because I prayed so much and I said, God, you know, if this is for me, let it be. If this is not for me, like, you know, like just send something else my way. And guys, another opportunity came my way and it's an opportunity I've been waiting for and dying for. Like, you guys don't even understand. I'm working on a unit that I've like, it's like a dream unit, okay? This was my goal and I'm officially on that unit. I'm going to mom and baby and I'm so excited. I'm so excited and I really pray and hope that it works out. It will work out. It will work out. I started my orientation this week. I'm nervous but excited. They sent me a whole orientation package and I'm just like, it's like a whole different world because you're taking care of like a baby mom, but I'm excited and I'm nervous. But we'll see how it goes. One of my friends on that unit, so she's like, she'll help me prepare as well. So yeah, that was what I was gonna tell you guys earlier. I'm super proud of myself, yo. I'm super proud of myself. I'm happy that I didn't give up when I was gonna give up. And I'm happy that I'm pushing through, so. But, Dad, you remember this breakfast place in Niagara Falls that we used to go to? It's like the buffet. Oh, that's open.
The one close to London Lane.
Yes, that one's open, the buffet. You wanna know what you do? So when you're going in, they give you a glove. This is what you, so I'm like, when they're giving to us, I'm like, oh, what is this for? And he's like, this is what you use to pick up the utensils. But I'm like, you're still around the food, like. Cause remember, some people's mask is not even like, it's so knockoff.
The thing that actually bothers me, well, it doesn't really bother me, I'm thinking.
Oh.
They said that
Can you lift her up, please, then?
this,
Watch your head.
they don't
Go
even
back.
call it, they don't remember,
Huh?
yeah. Like, take
You
that
gotta go
out.
play over there.
This says respiratory.
It is, yeah.
Because basically, I've been to outside washroom since this whole thing. I don't see any special features in there. Like,
So yo, we want to send a big shout out. We want you guys to go over and subscribe to Ziggy's cousin. It's not focusing, but Wildlife Calgary, Alberta. We'll link it in the description box down below. Big up yourself. Big up yourself 50. Make sure you guys go and check him out. It's kind of like he's showing you a different side to Calgary. You know, we've never been to Calgary, so it's like you're living in Calgary through his vlogs. But yeah, just make sure you go out and support him, you know. Big up yourself. Put my mango back in the fridge. Put my mango back in the fridge. Put my mangoes back in the. But how dare you come home from work and come take out my cold mango? But you're short of cold mango.
I thought, I don't like cold mango. I thought it was the last one that said I put in the fridge. When?
How was work?
It's actually not that bad.
That's good. And just like that, I already digged into my food, but dinner is served.
Yeah.
My turn.
See?
I love you, Mama. I love you, Papa. I love you. I love you, Nisha. I love you, Bella. I love you. I love you, Ziggy. I love you, Papa. I love you, Mama.
Easy, Ziggy. Easy, Ziggy. And on that note, the vlog is ending right here.
And I see how we alone. Forward we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is up. We saw no one. We alone.